Stay with us, this gets deeper. Did you know that Africa holds approximately 30% of the world's mineral reserves? But the story of African economics is far more complex and compelling than just its natural resources. We often hear narratives of poverty and struggle, but this continent boasts a rich history of trade, innovation, and resilience. Today, we're going to visualize the economic landscape of Africa, exploring its past, present, and future. Let's start in ancient times. Before European contact, sophisticated trade networks crisscrossed the continent. Kingdoms like Great Zimbabwe thrived on gold and copper, connecting communities across vast distances. The trans-Saharan trade routes facilitated the exchange of goods like salt, textiles, and gold, spreading knowledge and culture. These weren't just simple barters, they were complex economic systems with established currencies and trade agreements. Fast forward to the colonial era. The arrival of European powers dramatically reshaped Africa's economic trajectory. Resources were extracted, and economies were restructured to serve colonial interests. This legacy continues to impact African economies today. After independence, many African nations faced significant challenges. Debt, corruption, and political instability hindered economic growth. However, the story doesn't end there. In recent decades, Africa has experienced a period of remarkable growth. Fueled by a young and growing population, technological innovation, and increasing foreign investment, the continent is transforming. Consider the rise of mobile technology. Africa leapfrogged traditional landline infrastructure and embraced mobile devices, leading to a boom in mobile banking and e-commerce. Innovations like M-Pesa in Kenya have revolutionized financial inclusion, bringing banking services to millions who were previously excluded. Then stay with us, this gets deeper. There's the growth of entrepreneurship. From bustling tech hubs in Nairobi and Lagos to innovative agricultural startups in rural areas, Africans are creating their own solutions to local problems. These entrepreneurs are not just creating jobs, they are building the foundation for a more sustainable and diversified economy. Foreign investment is also playing a crucial role. While concerns about neocolonialism remain valid, responsible investment can drive economic growth and development. China has become a significant economic partner, investing heavily in infrastructure projects across the continent. Of course, challenges remain. Corruption, inequality, and climate change continue to pose significant threats. But Africa is not a monolith. Each country faces its own unique set of challenges and opportunities. From the oil-rich economies of Nigeria and Angola to the diversified economies of South Africa and Kenya, the continent is a mosaic of economic realities. Looking ahead, the African Continental Free Trade Area, or AfCFTA, has the potential to be a game-changer. By creating a single market for goods and services, it could boost intra-African trade and accelerate economic integration. The key to unlocking Africa's full economic potential lies in good governance, investment in education and infrastructure, and a commitment to sustainable development. The continent's future is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices and actions of its leaders, its entrepreneurs, and its people. Africa is not just a continent of resources, it's a continent of innovation, resilience, and potential. It's time to rewrite the narrative and recognize the true story of African economics. Subscribe to Punna Africa for more African history and wealth wisdom. Follow for more untold African stories.